Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite instructor Ming Fanabasi for Style Mode DIY, and this video is going to be so exciting because it's like the major sweet interesting DIY and hacks. Now, I know a lot of you get to have things that you use and you feel that the idea is use it and throw it away, but it actually has a purpose that is going to be so beneficial to you. What is that thing we're talking about? Something that is always in our daily lives. We use it like almost every time because of the weather and because of our body. So, let me introduce you to those things that you would never know how amazing they could be if someone doesn't tell you. Which is one, insecticide. I use a lot of insecticides. Baygon is one of them, Mortine and so many others. But in this video I'm going to be using the Baygon insecticide container, and the next thing is right guard body spray, gel spray, sorry. Now we use these things a lot. We use this one daily for BO, so you'll not be stinking and killing people in the bus and traffic or wherever it is in your office. And we use this one to destroy mosquito, operation kill malaria. And a lot of us use it, and when we're done we throw it away, choking up the bean and feeling it does not have a purpose. But in this video I'm going to show you that these two things have a purpose. What am I going to be using these things to do? I'll be recycling them and using them for a bracelet holder. There are so many things it could be used for, but in this video I'm going to be using it for a bracelet holder. The things I'm going to use to ensure that this is possible is warden. This is the soft warden. People still call it stay. Is used for clothes and so many other things, but I'll be using it for this. And this is the hard warden, black. Piece of Ankara. My mom tried to make a shirt from this so many years ago. I don't know. I'm amazing in keeping things order alert. But I'm going to be using this to create that. And I'm also going to be using this plain pattern, as I want to do a plain and pattern design. I just want you guys to watch and see what I'm going to do in this video. It is very easy, as easy as ABC, and you can just achieve it within a few seconds. So you'll be thinking, okay, wait, you stack up your bracelets in different things, it's scattered everywhere, or it's just in a box, it's choked up. With this you can have an organizer to put your bracelets and it stays in one place. You can decide to either stick it to the ground for it to stay stationed, or you just make it movable. So guys, watch and enjoy. bracelet. This is the bracelet in Ankara, and this is the bracelet in plain. I know, right? I made this one look like a sweetie, has a little cutie in top. Delicious bracelet holder, and well, this one is just silver and bronzy and has the um, trimming by the edge. This is the bottom. It's so bright. Yeah, that's the bottom, and this is the top. I covered it with felt so it doesn't show what the inside looks like. So yep, you can decide to stick it to your table and get to throw in your bracelets from top, like, you know, you stick it to the table. So on your dresser, you could just be here at one corner, or you just let it be like lie anywhere. Maybe you just lie on your table and you have your bracelets stuck inside it like this. So that is it for your bracelet holder in Ankara and in plain material. You could try it in any other thing you want, and you can make it as gorgeous as you want it to be. However, whatever, it is your choice. But the idea is that you can use your shore spray and your insecticide to give you a bracelet holder, instead of having those scattered bracelets everywhere and having you throw away your deer spray when it actually has value to you. Thanks guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up for this video, ask questions where you have any concerns, and share. Please don't also forget to turn on the notification bell to give you notifications whenever a video pop up, so that you'll be the first to get this iced information. Thanks guys again. Bye.